Here I've got Umidigi One Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select display, and now click on Wallpaper tab. It's time to select the source that you would like to choose your wallpaper from. You can pick some from Live Wallpapers, something from your Google Photos or Wallpapers album, and the last one is the one that I would like to pick from. So here we've got all wallpapers on this device. Just come along with all the options. And then pick the one that you would like to apply. So let me choose, for example, this one, and then tap on Set Wallpaper right here. Finally, decide if you want this picture to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or both of them, and let me choose both. And that's it. As you can see, you've got brand new wallpaper, and also the lock screen is changed. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.